how to find all your comments on Instagram, on your Instagram account. Of course, today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you subscribe and you like this video, and let's start. You go first and you open Instagram. After this, when your Instagram is opening, for example, I will comment in this uh, page, for example, 2 hearts post. I will back and go here and open my profile. Then I will go to this 3 line. Then I will go to your activity, and then I will go to interaction, and then I will go to comments. And as you see here, my 2 hearts is here. So this is all my comments that I do in Instagram, the newest and the oldest. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, now it's all, and see you next time.